Ezras Hashem Yisborech, it's page 590 of Sefer HaSiches, Tovshin und Aleph Chelik Beis. We're in the middle of the Fabringen of Naso to Naso, the combined Fabringens together put into one Mugad Sicha. And the Rebbe is talking about the special Chidush of the Shabbos after Shavuos and how it emphasizes the inyan of the not only his Chachus in Torah, but the Chidush in Torah. As the Rebbe was Meirich Barichus, how we see it in the Parsha, and say the Chidush in Torah, and say how it comes all the way to the Mata, and obviously the ultimate Chidush in Torah, verbunden with Torah Chadoshim Yiti Teitzei, and the Pe'ula, the Mata, and the Hashamayim HaChadoshim, the Haaretz HaChadoshim, the whole Arichus that we learned until Ois Yud. We're starting from Ois Yud on page 590, the left column. Now, what do we have to do to make it happen? What's our part? יש להוסיף שבפרשת נאסו מרומזת גם דרך העבודה של ידו בוים להחידוש לתורה החדשה מאיתי תצא, ועל ידי זה גם השמיים החדשים והארץ החדשה בימי המשיח. Parshas Naso, it doesn't only tell us about the concept, but it actually teaches us what part do we play, what role do we play in making it happen. The Torah Chadasha and the Hashamayim HaChadoshim b'yemei HaMoshiach. ובהקדם הידוע שבכל אחד ואחד מישראל יש ניצוץ מנשמת משיח. כמרומז בפסוק דורח כיכוב מיינטוב, שקוי על דוד מלכה משיחה, וקוי גם על כל אחד ואחד מישראל, as they state in Yerushalmi. So how could the same pasuk go say on Moshiach and say on every Yid? Because this goes back to כל אחד מישראל יש ניצוץ מנשמת משיח, which that is Pchinas HaYechidah. She needs it's mipchinas hayechida aklolis, which is nishmas shel Moshiach tzidkenu. So Moshiach tzidkenu is the yechida haklolis, and every yid has a nitzutz from the yechida haklolis from the neshama of Moshiach tzidkenu, and that is the yechida of every yid. ולכן על ידי גילוי בחינס היחידה שבכל אחד ואחד מישראל מזרזים וממהרים ופועלים הגילוי לבחינס יחידה הקלוליס וביאס משיח צדקנו. שאז יהיה הגילוי דתורה חדשה מאיתי תצא פנימיוס התורה בחינס היחידה שבתורה. ועל ידי זה גם השמיים החדשים והארץ החדשה אשר אני עושה גילוי בחינס היחידה בכל העולם כולו, which is יחידה של העולם. So, because our Yechida is a nitzutz of the Yechida Klalis of Moshiach Tzidkenu, when we do the avodah of being Megala, our Yechida, so that brings about the Gilui of the Yechida Klalis, which is Moshiach, which then will have the Gilui of the Yechida in Torah, which is Pnimius HaTorah, the Torah Chadash Amiti Teitze, which will bring the Gilui of Yechida Shalom, of the Etzem of the Eibishter in the entire world, which that's the end of Shemaim HaChadosh and Haaretz HaChadosha, as we learned in the previous ois, that this inyan of Shemaim HaChadosh and Haaretz HaChadosha is verbunden with the Gilui of Ani ois of the Etzem of the Eibishter. So in other words, what's our part is to be Megala our Yechida. This concept of being Megala the Yechida. Pascholas Parshas Naso behaminyan de bnei Yisrael. Naso Yisroish bnei Gershon gam heim geimer. Sheshayach gam la'aminyan de kol bnei Yisrael k'fi sheim bedagas shebet Levi k'psak din Rambam lo'shebet Levi belvad elachunu kolish ve'ish chunu kanal sif ches. So how is the minyan of bnei Yisrael, which is interesting, the Rebbe already says it as a fact. In the beginning it's a shak levatari. Minyan of bnei Levi is minyan bnei Yisrael. What does this have to do with the Yechida? Kiminyan b'nei Yisrael mitzad ha-hiskashrus ha'atzmis ha'kadosh baruch hu mit echibos in the fun of meina isam kol sh'o. Shehi b'shove etzel kol b'nei Yisrael shalochen hagadol b'madrega ina nechshav yoser me'achad va'akoten b'madrega ina nechshav pachis me'achad mitzad etzem nishmosam chinas ha-Yechida. So in other words, when you count the Yidin, that represents the hiskashrus atzmis, which is b'shove by every single Yid, which that is mitzad the etzem neshama, the yechida of the neshama, which this is actually why when you count the yidin, every person is counted equally. We don't say if you're greater, you get counted as more. If you're smaller, you get counted as less. Because mitzad the etzem neshama, we're all the same, and the counting is verbunden with the etzem neshama. When we see in Parshas Naso be'isachdusam shel kol yidbeis nesiya Yisrael, shekelim is kol b'nei Yisrael, sheis nadgu bo kulam yachtav lechanukas hamishkan v'hamizbeach. וגם לאחרי שהקדוש ברוך הוא אומר נוסי אחד ביום יקריבו את קרבנם גמר. Still, it says in the Medrash, "Hello aleim akosov ki'ilu kulam ikrivu b'yom rishon uki'ilu kulam ikrivu b'yom achrei." Sheis achdu zula mitoso b'shteimusa he mitzad etzem haneshama b'chinas hayechida shehi eitzel kol b'nei Yisrael b'shova. Also, in the end, it brings out the achdus of all the Yidden, because all of the Nesiya Yisrael, which represent all of the Yidden, came together to be to make the Chanukas HaMishkan HaMizbeach. The Poyel, the Eibishter said Nasi Echad Layom, but even after that, the Medrash says that the Eibishter considers it like everyone was Makim on the first day and everyone was Makim on the last day. Where does this Achdus come from? Weiter, it comes from the Yechida Shebenefesh, because that's the only way you can have true Achdus. Because mitzad the Yechida, every Yid is Dakain, is B'shoven Al Tzein Zach, because it's all a nitzut of the Yechida HaKlolis. Even in Bahaloischa, it represents this concept of Gilui HaYechida, the counting in the beginning of the Parshas Naso, the counting in the Chanukas HaMizbeach VaMishkan through the Nesim and the end of Parshas Naso, and weiter, the beginning of the Kriya of Mincha of Shabbos Parshas Naso, the Shabbos after Shavuos. It says, Bahaloischa Saneros Almu Pnei HaMenorah Ya'iru Shibas Haneros Geimer, V'zemaisa HaMenorah Miksha Zohav Ad Yerecha Ad Pirucha Mikshahi. She'av shebnei Yisrael nechlokim b'chlolus l'zayin sugim zayin madreigis b'avodas havayim, which that's the meaning of Shivas Kanei HaMenorah. Mikol mokim nisachtim kulam b'ha'arosem el mul pnei HaMenorah, which we can stark verbringen wegen dem Nekuda. Ubeyesam miksha zov b'nei zov kula v'ka'omur ha'isachdus ha'amitis the kol b'nei Yisrael mitzad etzem haneshama b'chines ha'yechida. So on the one hand, the Menorah has 7 candles, Shiva Neiros, which that represents the Shiva Sugim and Bnei Yisrael. But the Menorah at the same time represents the Achdus, which comes from the Yechida Shebenefesh, the fact that everyone is Mul Pnei HaMenorah, and the fact that it's all from Mon Miksha Zohov. That's the Yechida, the fact that we all come from the same place. So we see the concept again in the other Kriya, let's use it. The other Kriya of Shabbos Parshas Naso, which is the Kriya of Ba'aloischa B'mincha, also represents the being Megala the Yechida, which again, the Rebbe is saying, like we started in the beginning, that the Parashas show us not only what is the Nekuda and the Chidush, but the Parashas tells us how are we going to get there? Through being Megala the Yechida Shebenefesh. So it's V'ha'hemshech V'asmichus, the Parashas HaMenorah, the Parashas HaNesim, with Geshes Mailas Shevet Levi Al Kol Yud Beis Hashvatim. Yeah, that's the beginning of the fact that right after the Nesim, going to Ba'aloischa Saneros, it emphasizes the Mail of Shevet Levi. Kipiru Shashi, Loma Nismucha Parashas HaMenorah, the Parashas HaNesim, the Fishi Kesheroa Aharon Chanukas, HaNesim Cholsha Oz Daita Kishloi Hoye Moem B'Chanukah Loi Hu B'Loi Shiftoi. So the Eibusha said to him, no, don't feel bad. What you do is greater. It's you and your whole Shevet. So on the one hand, it's Hecher. On the other hand, so how do you do the two things? Are they Shaykh? Is it a Hemshich or is it a separate Nekuda? So in andere Wörter, the Nekud is Azeh. How do you put the two things together? Because Take Shevet Levi is a Hemshich, but it's higher. But how is it a Hemshich? Because really the Inyan represents every single Yid. Because Loi Shevet Levi Bilvad. So we could all have a Shaykhis to this Nekud, to this Inyan. And how do we have a Shaykhis? Ve'inyan ze nasa al dei Gilui b'chinas ha'yechida. So really, the avodah of Naso leads you to Ba'aloischa. The avodah of Naso is the achdus between all of the Yidden. That comes from the Yechida Shebenefesh. When you're megal the Yechida, so then everyone could go in the Maidrega Ba'aloischa Sanera Shulchan Gadol Mishalahem, because but then we can all be in the Inyan in the gather of Shevet Levi. Kemrumas besim divrei Aram Marei David Olav Hashalom Omer Havayim Naschal Kibechisi Ato Temich Geiroli. That's the pasuk that the Rambam brings for it. Geulah koyal etzem haneshama b'chinas hayechida b'chinas shel David Malka Moshiach אשר על ידי הסגלוסו נעשה כל איש ואיש בדרגה שבט לוי וכהן ועד לדרגת הקדושה דכהן גודל, הרי זה נזקדש קדש קדוש, וזה רבי emphasized כמה וכמה פעמים, בכנס היחיד שבישראל בנפש, בקדש קדוש, בכנס היחיד שבמקום. So because of the end of Geulah, this emphasizes this nekuda that it's all connected to the Geulah HaYechida. על פי זה יש לבאר, I just want to finish till Oishid Aleph, על פי זה יש לבאר בעמק יסר הדגושס האחדוסים של ישראל במתן תורה. כמו שכוסו בחודש השלישי גמר ביום הזה באו מדבר סיני גמר וייחן שם ישראל. וייחן נושן יוחד, so this can help us understand in a deeper ofen why we're madgish the achdus of the Yidden במתן תורה. Because it says וייחן נושן יוחד כי איש אחד בלב אחד, שלכן אמר הקדוש ברוך הוא, הרי השעה שעתן אמס התרסי. Why? שהאחדus שמצד בחינס היחידה קשורה במיוחד עם תרסי של משיח, פנימיוס התורה. Chinas HaYechida should need the Behelim Matan Torah, since the Yechida of Torah was given Behelim Matan Torah. So when were we ready to be Mekabel it? When the Yechida of the Yidden was Niskale by the Vayichan Noshen Yochid. Yerushalayim Yash'in in Zeh Mud Geshesa B'Shabbat Shel Achli Matan Torah. Shachdusam Shel Yisol Shemitzad Chinas HaYechida Shemudgashes Bevarshas Shavua Kanal Barucha Yachon Lehis Galus Teirasa Shel Moshiach Sheba Yisofa. Ula'achri Agilun de Matan Torah Shabbos Ula'achri Matan Torah Torah Chadash Amiti Teitze is more emphasized on the Shabbos after, because that's the Geulah of Torah that comes after Matan Torah. It should be taken from Yad Mamish. Wir sollen sich sehen mit den Reben bei Einei Basar. A guten Tag, Atzlach, Rab.